Welcome to Goma Shiba Inu's world. Shiba Inu, also known as Shiba Token, is a decentralized cryptocurrency created in August 2020. So, it may not have a long journey, but it already has an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain and is based on Dogecoin. Brands itself the Dogecoin killer. Well, the SHIB token does not have a smart contract or any rights, but it is simply a transferable token to avoid your complexities. Shiba Inu is a Japanese term for a breed of dog. It is the dog that is depicted in Dogecoin symbol, which itself was originally a cryptocurrency based on the Dogecoin. Everybody loves passive income, and if it comes from meme or something like that, it is more exciting, right? So growing your holdings on Goma has never been easier with Shiba Inu. 3% of every transactions made on PancakeSwap, whether it's buy or sell, are shared by all Goma token holders depending on their current holdings. The more Goma you own, the higher is your income. Aside from passive income, it's also putting 2% of every transactions made on PancakeSwap, whether it's buy or sell, to automatic liquidity pool, making a massive and continuous flow of liquidity in every trade made on PancakeSwap. After the pre-sale and distribution, they will commence with their give and stake program, wherein community will be able to stake their Goma to earn Troll. More details about this is on their website after the pre-sale. So it is not so tough for you to have the access. This enable investors to take advantage and be the first to hold the tokens. The community and holders matter here. So, to share wealth and happiness, they have created a hyper deflation method to smart contract that enables the burning of Goma on every buy or sell with 2% in every transaction. Upon launch of Goma Shiba Inu, 50% of the total supply are burned into dead address, making it impossible to recover by anyone. So, this is a new journey of crypto chain based technology. So, it's your time to see the world in another definition. So, get settled with a cryptocurrency platform because it is the future.